Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss how you can master IELTS writing task 1 or become a master blaster of IELTS writing task 1. The first one is read and understand the type of question. In IELTS writing task 1 you will be given a pie chart, graph or data points where you have to analyze the data. So it could be a pie chart, a bar graph, a line chart or a combination. Okay. You have to read and understand the question type. So if you are given a pie chart, you have to say the pie chart illustrates, or if you are given a bar chart, you have to say the bar chart illustrates or showcase. So firstly you have to find the type of chart. What is it? What is the type of chart that you are given, or the type of charts that you are given? Okay. The second is analyze the given data and point out key features and identify highest and lowest values. Analyze the data. What are the highest values? What are the lowest values? Where the chart is rising and where the chart is plummeting. Plummeting means going down. There is a sharp decrease. We will discuss it in further points. Point out highest and lowest. Highest and lowest. Not every value. If the chart goes up from 10 to 50, it is rising, and from 50 to 5, it is dramatically decreasing. But let's say the chart goes from 10 to 50, and then 50 to 45, and then 45 to 40, and then rises again. Don't give all the points. Showcase the highest value and the lowest values. Make sure to write an introduction and overview. Write the introduction. What is the introduction? The introduction is the question. Paraphrase the question. Okay? If the question type says the pie chart showcases blah 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 in the given years 1990 and 2010, right? So you have to paraphrase the question and write it in your introduction. And the overview, in the overview you say that data point is increasing or decreasing. So try to make sure that whatever you do, you write your introduction and you write your overview, and then commence to body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. Use synonyms and paraphrasing and try avoiding repetition of words. Use synonyms. So how can you say that it has increased, that data point is increasing? What is the synonym for increasing? It has risen. And for decreasing, plummeted. If it is a very sharp decrease, you can say that data point has plummeted. Okay. So avoid repetition of words. I have already posted videos regarding synonyms that can be used in IELTS writing task 1. Please make sure to check that out as well. Fifth, make sure to write body paragraph but don't mention every bit of detail. Don't mention every bit of detail. What do I mean by that? If your data point goes from 50 to 45, as I mentioned before, don't mention every point. Try to highlight the biggest increases and the biggest decreases. If it has stagnated, you can say it has stagnated, or data point has become steady. Okay. So what do I mean? So let's say if in the years 2014 to 2018 we are comparing car sales, right? So if only 10 million cars have been sold in all of 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, we can say that the car sales have become steady. They have not seen any kind of increase or decrease. Okay. The sixth one is practice with timer. Try to practice with a timer. Why? Because you will be given only 20 minutes, or you should do the writing task 1 in maximum 20 minutes. I urge students to do it in 16 to 18 minutes so that they always have time to check their mistakes with regards to spelling or with regards to if they made mistakes in any like calibration of the data point. Okay, so these are 6 ways on how you can better or master your IELTS writing task 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button